Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, market is open and we can see action right after the market opening. So after NFP, things became crazy. At first, market went up. Then there was an unexpected crazy fall in the market, and things were very unstable. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that we discussed on Saturday. We clearly discussed that whatever is going on in the market is not very reliable, as a result of which we should be cautious, and we can see the same thing is going on. Market is still not very stable, still unsafe to trade. So if you're a beginner, new trader, try to avoid trading gold as of now, because you can see crazy amount of volatility in the market is not expecting anything. So it's better to be on the safe mode, means capital protection mode. We are retail traders, it's not possible for us to understand the market at each and every level. So only trade when you understand the markets, or when market comes to our level and uh, reacts according to expectation. Okay, but as of now things are still very crazy, and to be honest, I don't think so it's safer for us to trade right now. Okay, so again repeating, if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, because we can see right after the market opening, market showed a big drop. Again there was crazy recovery. So what is this? Okay, what is this? At first I thought that okay, there must be something going on geopolitically. Okay, but when I checked the news, I saw this: gold falls in possible profit taking. Gold falls in the early Asian session in possible profit taking after gold futures reach a fresh record intraday high on Friday. Okay, so this is just a profit taking. So just imagine the amount of market manipulation going on. Okay. And yes, my dear friends, see, it is a bitter reality that market manipulation happens. The big guys, the institutions will manipulate the market from time to time, but they do not manipulate the market each and every day. Okay, so as a result, when you see the market is not stable, okay, try to avoid. That is the best solution, personally, I feel. So the trending opportunities that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid, because on the chart of gold right now, okay, we saw a higher time frame also. Higher time frames were also indecisive, and we can see the same indecision going on right now. So the selling opportunity around 247 8283, okay, is still very much valid as a resistance zone. If market drops, we can look for a buy around 2400. These two levels are still present, but far away from the current market price. And all the action is going on the middle of the chart. That's why, okay, we are finding it difficult to trade. Now you can see that, okay, I have mm, added two lines here, black dotted lines here. Okay, I am simply using FIBO here. Okay, these lines are not very reliable. Okay, so here I can see that we have FIBO 50 and FIBO 61.8 around 2436 to 31. This is a support level. I think if market comes down, then this level may provide some support to the market before US session. During the US session, okay, we have a PMI coming up, not a major event, but already market is so crazy. I don't know how market will react at the time of PMI. So before US session, if market comes around 243132, this particular area between 3136, we can look for a support. If market takes support, then only we can look for a buy position. One more thing I would like to add here is that, my dear friend, if you were watching the market or observing the market, then probably you have also noticed that the 50 moving average, or around 2445, market was facing some resistance. I won't say that very strong resistance, but yes, market found some resistance around 2445 or around the 50 moving average. So during the European session, Asian session, okay, if market drops a little with not very high selling pressure, then you can also observe this market. I cannot give you the exact number because this is a dynamic support. But around 2445, 2444 level, if you see the market is taking support, then you can look for a buy around this position as well. And this is also a buy opportunity for us. But keep in mind, no level is reliable in the market right now. Beginners, new traders, simply avoid trading right now. Let the market settle. We will get plenty of opportunities to make money when the market condition will be normal. We are traders, not gamblers. And dollar index, okay, right after the market opening is under pressure. Okay, nowadays we don't get to see candle by candle um, correlation between gold and dollar. But if okay, if we see a further downside on dollar index, yes, we may see some upside on gold as well. As a forex trader, it is essential for us to know what is going on the chart of DXY or US dollar index. Okay. Now let's wait and watch where does the market take support or whether market comes for retracement or not. Again, I'm repeating, be careful. Market is on the middle of the chart and all the action is happening here. Before US session, if market takes support around 243136, with proper risk management, you can look for a buy around this area. Okay. We can also look for some support around 2445 around the 50 moving average, but it is a little bit dicey. Okay. And on the other hand, okay, the reliable levels are far away, like the selling zone of 248377 and buy zone around 2400. One thing I would like to add here is that, okay, to right now, okay, we can see market has made a high of 2459. What? 2459. This is the high made by the market. So during the day, okay, during the day, if we see the market going up again, obviously market will try to go up, then we can look for a buy above 2460 or 2459. Okay, we can look for buy around 2460, considering it as a breakout. But as we all know, breakout trades are riskier in comparison to retracement trades. So please be careful, follow proper risk management, and in this market situation right now, try to use small lot sizes. Yeah, already I told you guys that okay, when NFP came out, I was on a buy, but when the market started falling, okay, when the market started falling, okay, I exited at 2470, but when market started falling, I could not go for the sell because see, mentally, okay, I also have some challenges. Means, see, after being on a buy, again, yeah, taking a sell immediately is not my thing. But when market formed this candle, okay, I was really surprised. So I could not trade here. I did not trade here. In the morning also, I did not trade here because to be honest, okay, I do not like crazy volatility. Yes, volatile markets, okay, are good to make money, but we also need to understand that maximum traders lose money at the time of volatility. Okay. If you know me personally, if we have interacted personally, then you must know that I prefer to trade you, especially during the European session when the market is not too slow, not very volatile. Okay. Anyways, let's wait and watch how does the market react. Be careful, do not gamble.